Good day everybody, this is Handyman Service. Let's dig in. Today's video, we are building a floating garden up in the air. Yes, you heard that right. We are taking it off the ground. If you look close, you already know what I'm using. My signature setup, scaffolding pipes and those joint adapters. And the rest, that's just straight up DIY skill. Creativity and a bit of crazy thinking. I'm always digging through materials catalogs like, what can I turn this into? Then boom, I build it with nothing but sand in my hands. But hey, let me tell you something real quick. When it comes to wood, you've got to treat it right. Think of like this, wood is like a lady. More care and respect you give it, more beautifully it transforms. Now real talk, scaffolding pipes, they are construction materials. Not sexy, not fancy. But that's where you step in. Paint it, customize it, make it pop however you like. The side table turned out to be more solid than I initially expected. Very stable and practical in everyday use. The reason I chose scaffolding pipes is because I'm using a jack tension system to secure everything in place. That means no drilling at all, no holes in the ceiling or the floor, and no damage to the property. Despite that, the whole setup is extremely rigid and reliable. It's built to last and won't easily fall. At this stage, the real challenge becomes how to prevent construction materials in a clean and refined way. That's where design and craftsmanship truly come into play. To prevent the pots from tipping over during an earthquake, make sure to secure them properly using fitting adapters like these. By fixing them in place, you significantly improve stability and reduce the risk of them falling. It's a simple detail, but it makes a critical difference in safety and reliability. Also, it's better to use plastic pots instead of ceramic ones. They are lighter and much safer in case something does move or fall. For safety, it's best to place lighter pots on top and heavier ones on the bottom, and position them in stable and suitable location. Make sure to position them properly for watering and sunlight, and double check that everything is securely fixed in place. This is Handyman Service. Thanks for watching.